I've replaced both original incandescent fixtures for the rear compartments with these LED strips, and more light than I could ever dream of. Sorry about the leaf blower. Hopefully that's not coming through too loud, but I couldn't stand the old compartment lights that we had. It was over here. Seemed like stuff would mash into it. Occasionally I'd find the lenses knocked off. I'd find them occasionally on because they got bumped while we were in transit. So I've opted for changing them to this style, which just has a little switch on the end. And here I've got one mounted way up out of the way. Good light through the whole compartment. I've done this compartment and I've done the other compartment, and I think it's a pretty good improvement. I'll include a link to these in the description in case you want to make a similar swap with your compartment lights or any other lights in the Airstream for a cabinet or whatnot. This is a quick upgrade really anybody can do with a few simple tools. This is a basic wiring kit and a lot of useful stuff here, but back to the lights project at hand. When you're wiring LED lights, you do want to make sure you've identified the positive and negative wires. Now, it's very simple to do. You can take the light fixture after you've stripped these wires down and just test the light against probably red to red, black to black, but you may have other wire colors involved that make that more complicated. Now, you'll know when the light works if you've got the switch on and you've tested it against the right polarity, negative, negative, positive, positive, the LED light will work. Here's the other one in the other compartment. Because of the direction that the wiring had come from, I have a button on one end and the wiring on the other, and it was easier to keep the wiring from getting snagged. It means the button's a little further in, but at least the wiring is back against and it's probably less likely to get snagged. That's my only complaint maybe.